My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is associated with the site Checkingversionwn2.click or sometimes by the site Checkingversionwn1.click. Some people may notice these pop-ups to attack their browsers, and the information displayed by these alerts can be pretty scary, and it tries to actually force you into thinking that your system is horribly infected by some stubborn malware or viruses or some other threats in order to force you into actually downloading some software. There is nothing wrong in promoting certain software, but the point is, it is the typical online scam what these pop-ups try to do. They try to actually scare you, to force you into downloading something after you got scared. So if you see these alerts, checking version wn2.click or something similar, do not trust their misleading content. The occurrence of such pop-up windows in your screen may be the trace of some adware to be enabled in your system. So if you ever see these alerts, you need to disregard their content and not to trust them. If you want to download some software, any software, let it be your choice what software you want to download. Now, we also recommend you to carefully research your control panel and delete any items that are suspicious. Also, sometimes the unusual browser behavior may be explained by the presence of certain unwanted browser extension. So go to the menu of your Google Chrome or other browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions that you may find here. Finally, I recommend that you research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software and start investigating your system to be convinced that it is free of any other hidden threats. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode, even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button, and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner Premium version.